Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Hilda again. If it's your first time of joining us, you are highly welcome. Today I'm doing an installation of a bedside table that I got from Ikea. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just unboxing it so I can show you how I installed it. If you would like to know how I installed this bedside table, please just stay tuned. We'll take this big wood, okay, that has a lot of holes on it. This is holes for the screws, yeah. So these two sides of the wood will be facing this place. Now we're going to also use the same kind of wood as well, and this one will be facing this side. So these two dots are going to face in the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to take this white plastic wood. This plastic, you're going to find it inside of it. You find 4 pieces of it as well. I'm going to place them here because they are actually meant to stay on this side. Sorry, first they're going to stay on this side of this plywood. 2 of it here. Just simply push it in. So I'm going to put it here. Press here. So the 4 of this plastic will be placed in the beginning. So this is the first step we're doing, right? This small screw, right? I'm going to be putting 4 of it because on this plastic there are holes on it. This is to lock this plastic with the plywood. When you put the drawers, this will allow them to move forward and backward. So now, once this is done, we're going to move it to the side. Let's just put it here quickly. So the next step would be to take these 4 plywoods, 2 of these small ones. Let me move backward so you guys can see me. 2 of the small ones. This brown one in the middle and the white one here. This small wood you see here, there's about 22 pieces of it. 2 of it, we're going to install it here, just like so. And I'm going to put this one, okay, just one on this side of the hole, the brown one, and on the other side as well. There are 2 holes here, but we're going to put it here on the outer part of the wood. So we have these 4 installed, and we're going to place them on the side as well. We'll bring back the step 1, which was this one, okay, which was this one and this. And what we'll do now is we're going to take these 4 plywoods that we put on the sides, the small ones, to place them in here, push them in like so. Okay, this wood is going to be on the outer part, okay, so we push it in. And the brown one, now we're going to put this outer part, we're going to put it here as well, and we press them all in. So this side is complete. What we need to do is take the other part that we installed the plastic, we will not put it on top like so. So we put them in. Arrange them. Use your hand to push them in so they can stay in this form. Yeah. So we have a part of the bed table fixed. So now I'm going to turn this to the other side like this, okay? So in this form, we're going to place the table, and we're going to use this big screw. There's 4 of it. We're not going to use them to lock this middle wood in the middle and all the ones at the end. So I'm just going to put them quickly in, then I'll start scrolling. We're going to be using this one manually. Place it in. So now it's tight, it doesn't shake funny, it's stable. So now you can see there are holes, 2 holes here, 2 holes here, so 4 holes on this side and on this other side. What we're going to do is we're going to be taking this small wooden screw. We're going to be placing it on the upper part. Yeah, if you look, you just put it on the upper hole. Let's see, sorry about that. Put it here as well, and this one here as well. So we have this part fixed. I removed this one from here. Okay, I was actually meant to put them here, so now it's correct. This is the step 7. This is the upper part of the table. So we're going to take this same screw with a plastic in the middle. We're going to place it right here. There are 4 holes on this plywood, and we'll just secure it like that. Okay, so now we've installed this. Okay, and I'm going to place this inside of it like this and jam it in like so. So press it a bit harder to lock. Now it's locked. We have the upper part of this bed side table. We're going to turn it this way, letting this part of the wood face you. And this round metal, you see, they have the big one. This is the big one, and this is a small one. Yeah, so there are 4 of this one and 4 of this. Yeah, and we're going to be using the big one. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in here to lock the nails that we just put in now. Once it's locked, you will notice. So you don't need to do this really tight, because you can actually break the wood, because this plywood, they are made of dust and they are not that strong. So that's a problem, because you're going to break this. This is the 11th step. We're going to put this behind. You take your hammer and nail down on the 4 sides of the locker. We're going to fix the feet, which are this small white plastic. The side table is completely fixed. Okay, now I'm going to fix the drawers. So set this aside. On the big drawer, there are 3 spots here, 3 holes, and on the small drawer there are 2 holes here. We're going to take this nail again, okay, and we're going to screw it in the middle, right in the middle. Push it in like that. Okay, and the other one, this side has to be outside of it, so you push it in. Okay, like this, in, push it in, and this as well, you push it in, and this is now installed. We're going to put this side in and just slide it into the wood. Okay, and it's complete. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fix this part so that we can actually close this locker. Okay, when you take this, you push it in. I like to put them in first before I start pushing them. We're going to put this inside. just on the tip inside. This is going to help you secure this drawer from pulling out totally. So this is more like a secure nail. So put it in like this. Once it's in, you can actually lock it. So now once you've done this, it's not going to come out. It's secured. So you can push your drawer inside. Okay, once it's inside again, you do the same step. And that's it. There's no way it's going to come out. It's controlled now. And that's it. And that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. See you next on my next video. Bye.